Hello everyone, I will tell you how I solved exercise 1502 can make arithmetic progression from sequence. So in this exercise we have a sequence of a sequence of numbers is called an arithmetic progression if the difference between any two consecutive elements is the same. Given an array of numbers R, return true if the array can be arranged to form an arithmetic progression. Otherwise return false. And we have some examples, and we have to reorder and check if we find the same difference between each two consecutive numbers. So what I did, the first thing that I did was sorted the array because I need the numbers in a consecutive order. Then I calculate the distance between the first one to the second one. Yes, so that's going to be something like, I'll get this array after sorted, right? So doing array at 0 is 1 minus 3. I'll get the first distance, which is 2, right? So then I did 4 to go through the whole array, starting at 1, which is the first number that I need to compare with the second one. Because I already compared these two, I have to compare the next two. So on until the last two numbers. So I initialize here two variables. Current number is the number that I want to check with the next one. And then I did the difference between the bigger number minus the smallest number, which is the current. And if that is different to the distance, remember we did here 2, we are going to return false. What means that? That means if the first, now we are going to check here, I on I is 3, and that's going to be current is going to be 3, and next is going to be 5. So if we do 5 minus 3, what I'm doing here, I'll get 2, and if that's different to the distance, remember that distance was 2, it's not difference, it's equal, I will return false. That means if I find just one distance who is bigger or smaller to the first one, that means that this array never is going to be an arithmetic progression. So I'll return false. Otherwise, if I go through the whole array and I've never find a distance bigger or smaller different to the first distance, that means that this array could be a arithmetic array, arithmetic progression. So I'll return true. And yep, that was how I solved exercise 1502. I hope see you in the next video.